Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. Here we can select one that you want to work on. You just tap on it, and then we select the clip that we want to edit. Then in the bottom bar we scroll to the right and find the filters button. If we tap on this filters button, we can browse different kinds of filters and select one that best fits our preferences. Or we can just create our own filter and then tap on the OK button and apply it to the clip. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.